Context assembly management. Components and sub-assemblies can easily manage the show-hide status, color, transparent, external datum, etc. Now, blank one component and it will not affect the other same components. Also, the object visibility can be recoded into the customized view. If you double-click the customized view, the stored assembly visibility will be recovered. The second improvement is that face attribute can be directly modified in top assembly level. The color and transparency can be inherited from part or set by the designer without changing the original part state. For the same components located in different sub-assemblies, they can be defined with different face attributes. From the right menu, you can quickly switch the transparency of a component. What's more, the visibility of component datum can be managed separately. With the external datum on-off option, you can quickly turn off all displayed datum. With those improvements, designers can easily manage the display state attributes for both components and sub-assemblies.